Traveling can be hectic, but the right gear can turn it into a breeze. Imagine a suitcase that glides smoothly through the airport, expands effortlessly for those last-minute additions, and keeps your belongings safe and secure, no matter how tough the journey gets. It's durable yet lightweight, designed to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. In this video, we'll dive into the key features of this suitcase that make it stand out, perfect for both quick getaways and long adventures. Ready to see what makes this travel companion a must-have? Let's begin. Dive into your next water adventure worry-free with the CaseMate Waterproof phone pouch, a perfect companion for water adventures, offering IP68 certified protection that shields your phone from water, dust, and sand. Whether you're swimming, kayaking, or lounging by the pool, this pouch ensures your phone remains safe, dry, and fully functional. Its floatable design means your phone stays visible on the water's surface, reducing the risk of losing it. Designed for convenience, the CaseMate pouch features a clear, touch-sensitive window that allows you to easily use your phone without removing it from the case. You can take photos, send messages, and even browse your apps while your phone remains sealed inside. With a secure locking mechanism, this waterproof pouch offers peace of mind by keeping your phone tightly sealed, even underwater. It's perfect for vacations, cruises, or beach outings, and its stylish design ensures it looks good while protecting your phone. The CaseMate Waterproof phone pouch is a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to keep their phone safe and accessible during water-based activities. Stay hydrated on the go with the collapsible water bottle, offering a perfect blend of convenience and eco-friendly design and ideal for those with active lifestyles. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it is safe for drinking and can handle temperatures from -50 degrees centigrade to 200 degrees centigrade. Its foldable design allows it to shrink from 24 centimeters to 13.5 centimeters, making it easy to store and carry when not in use. Designed for portability, this bottle comes with an aluminum carabiner, allowing it to attach easily to backpacks or gym bags. Whether you're hiking, camping, or working out, the collapsible water bottle is lightweight and perfect for outdoor activities. The flip-top lid ensures easy access to your drink while preventing leaks, making it a practical choice for staying hydrated on the go. Built for durability, the water bottle's high-quality silicone body is soft, shatterproof, and reusable, ensuring it withstands the rigors of outdoor adventures or intense workouts. Its stylish, space-saving design and versatility make it a great companion for both daily use and travel, offering a convenient and sustainable way to stay hydrated. Travel smart and in style with the Passport wallet, a must-have travel accessory, combining durability, style, and functionality for seamless trips. Made from lightweight waterproof fabric, it ensures your documents are protected in any weather, making it ideal for both men and women. Its sleek design and compact size offer convenience without bulk, making it easy to store in your pocket, backpack, or carry-on. This wallet is perfect for family travel, with space for up to 6 passports, tickets, cards, and important documents. A handy exterior pocket holds small items like your phone, keeping everything organized and accessible. It eliminates the need for multiple bags by keeping all your essential documents in one place, making it invaluable for airports, trains, or crowded events. Designed for durability, the wallet features water-resistant ripstop nylon and a secure zipper closure, ensuring your items stay safe and dry. Its practical and unisex design makes it a versatile travel companion for anyone looking to simplify their journey. Effortlessly dry your clothes anywhere with the retractable clothesline, a versatile, portable solution for drying clothes indoors and outdoors. With colorful, strong, yet gentle clips, it ensures clothes stay in place, even on windy days. Equipped with stainless steel hooks on each end, it can be easily attached to trees, tents, balconies, or radiators, extending up to 9 feet for drying various items. This clothesline is designed for convenience and ease of use. The anti-slip positioning beads prevent clothes from bunching up due to wind or weight, allowing for better drying. Its lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel, camping, and other outdoor activities. Looking for the perfect travel companion? The collapsible water bottle with its space-saving design and durable BPA-free silicone is a must-have for anyone on the go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or hitting the gym, this bottle keeps you hydrated without taking up much space. Aside from that, we've got more amazing gadgets coming your way, so keep watching and make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so you don't miss out on the latest must-have travel essentials. Capture every moment with ease using the 3-in-1 selfie stick and tripod stand, a versatile tool perfect for photography, video calls, and live streaming. It extends up to 40 inches and easily switches between a handheld selfie stick and a tripod with its collapsible legs, offering flexibility for various uses. The wireless remote works up to 10 meters and is compatible with both iOS and Android, allowing users to take over 1,000 photos effortlessly. With a 360-degree rotatable phone holder and 180-degree rotation head, it ensures perfect angles for photos and videos. Despite its professional features, the stick is lightweight, made from durable aluminum alloy and ABS, and weighs only 7 ounces, making it highly portable for travel or everyday use. The selfie stick is widely compatible, fitting most smartphones and even digital cameras, DSLRs, and action cameras with its universal 1/4-inch screw. Its compact, portable design makes it an ideal companion for capturing moments anywhere. Power up all your devices anywhere in the world with the Epicka Universal Travel Adapter, the perfect solution for travelers needing a reliable all-in-one power adapter. Covering over 150 countries with its US, EU, UK, and AU plug options, this compact adapter is designed to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It features 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and 1 AC socket, allowing up to 6 devices to be charged at once, making it ideal for phones, tablets, laptops, and more. This adapter is equipped with built-in safety features including an 8-amp fuse, safety shutters, and a plug lock system. It's certified by Restriction of Hazardous Substances (CE) and FCC, ensuring reliable protection while traveling. Maximize your packing space and stay effortlessly organized on any trip with BagSmart's compression packing cubes, which are the perfect solution for travelers needing to maximize space and stay organized. Available in 5 sizes, these durable and well-constructed cubes compress clothing and essentials, making them ideal for trips with limited packing room. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, these cubes are lightweight yet sturdy, with tear-resistant stitching and breathable mesh to prevent wrinkles and odors. The double zipper design helps compress clothes further, allowing you to fit up to 40% more in your suitcase. Each set includes multiple cubes for different items, plus a shoe bag, ensuring your belongings stay neatly separated and easy to find. BagSmart's packing cubes are more than just convenient. They're a travel essential. With their innovative compression technology, durable materials, and thoughtful design, these cubes ensure an organized and hassle-free packing experience for any trip. Ready to travel in style and confidence just like how we told you in the beginning? Well, with the CoolLife Suitcase, this becomes possible. This device is the perfect blend of durability, style, and functionality for any traveler. The lightweight hard shell is scratch-resistant and designed to withstand the rough handling that comes with travel. Its sleek, streamlined design incorporates patented technology, ensuring smooth, quiet 2-wheel operation and excellent maneuverability with a sturdy 3-level aluminum telescoping handle. Available in 3 sizes, 20-inch, 24-inch, and expandable 28-inch, this luggage set is ideal for both personal and business travel. The smallest sizes are perfect for short trips, while the largest can expand to add 15% more space, making it ideal for longer journeys. The interior features multiple compartments, keeping your belongings organized and easily accessible. Whether you're navigating airports or taking road trips, CoolLife's suitcases are built to last, handling wear and tear effortlessly. The quality construction and affordable price make it a highly recommended option for frequent travelers looking for both reliability and convenience. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Make sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be diving into a customizable mechanical numpad designed for top-tier performance and versatility. With Bluetooth 5.0 low energy and USB-C connectivity, this powerhouse offers up to 76 hours of battery life, all packed into a sleek, anodized aluminum frame. That, and a lot more so, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. See you in the next one.